Hello guys, this is my first video that I'm going to do with voice and I don't know how good it will be, but I hope that this video is going to be useful for you guys. And if you guys have any suggestions, you can put it in the comment. Okay, so in this video, I would like to tell you guys how to get a better compatibility with Microsoft Office documents, especially the Word and PPT files. In my experience, I have had problems with the compatibility, like the it would be rendered incorrectly, or sometimes the fonts won't match properly and some default font will take up the place. So in this video I would like to show you like how to solve those problems, and there are two steps to it. First, we are going to install Microsoft Office fonts, like Microsoft fonts, and then what we are going to do is install a better alternative to LibreOffice, I guess. Like in my experience, it has been a better experience with this software. It's called OnlyOffice. So what we do is we would first go here and in Google, like if we just search Microsoft Office, Microsoft Fonts download GitHub, it will show different repositories. You could just go here and you could download this whole as zip. I already have it downloaded, so let me just show you that. Okay, I have it downloaded and I have already extracted it. Okay, so now before having this, let me show you how this will be rendered with normal LibreOffice. It seems okay, like some things somewhere seem out of place actually. And if I look at the font, what it's using says it's Calibri, but let me search if Calibri is actually there. Like it's not showing up, so Calibri is not actually there. It's just showing that it should actually use Calibri, but it's using some default font. Okay, after this video I will show you again how these fonts look. Okay, so first is you need to extract the zip you downloaded, and you will get this folder, and inside this everything will be there, like all the font files that you need will be there. And then you need to copy this to a specific folder called /user/share. Okay, I will show you that step. You go open in terminal at that directory, cp -r Microsoft Fonts master and /user share fonts. Okay, I need to be root, so sorry for that. Okay, it's copied. So now we go there and make sure that it's readable by anybody. User share fonts chmod 755. Okay, I need to be okay. Now that's over, we have the fonts in the correct place. Now we need to update the cache actually. So how do we do that? We do that by typing sudo fccache -fv. Okay, now it will update the font cache, and now I would show you how this would render again in LibreOffice itself. Okay, see, earlier it was kind of weird, but now it looks a lot better, I guess. You guys could go back to the video and see how it looks, and see if you type here Calibri, like it is actually there, so it will show up there to autocomplete. Yeah, so that's that. And but this is fine, but I still have got one issue. Like I'm using a laptop, so I use touchpad a lot. But see, I haven't even scrolled a little bit, and this thing goes down a lot, and I don't think that that's a good experience. And that has been the case for a long time, and I don't think that anybody has fixed it yet. I'm not a dev, I'm just learning. So if I could contribute someday, I will do that. But for today, I will show you a better alternative for LibreOffice as of now. Like if you are like me and if you have this same issue, like you could just use this alternative. It's called, yeah, it's called Only Office. You could just you could just Google Only Office and you could download it. There is an app image version, so it can be used in any Linux distribution, and yeah, and it is available as RPM, deb package, etc. You can get in the site itself. Open source packages you can get from here. Yeah, you can get it as deb package, RPM package, snap, and flatpak also it's available. So you could do that, but I'm today going to use app image. So so if I open this document, it's a little bit slow at opening, but I find it a better experience once it opens. So you can see that it renders properly. There is no issue. Actually, does it look? I have a doubt if it looks better than LibreOffice here. I'm not sure. Where was it? Favorites. Okay. Okay, what happened now? I don't know what happened, but oh, I'm not sure how to show this properly. Okay. Now, no. Yeah, this seems to be okay, I guess. Yeah, this seems to be okay. Like both seem to render it okay right now. But see, I told you the touchpad scrolling issue with LibreOffice. Now, this is like I'm scrolling, and this is like a normal scroll for any person. Like you could actually use this. But in LibreOffice, if I do that same thing, where is it? Uh, okay, side pane. Okay, if I just scroll a little bit, it will go down a lot. Like I'm not scrolling it actually that much, but it's scrolling a lot. So I actually find this doing a better job for me, so I like it. So if you guys find it useful, let me know. That's all I had to say. After copying the files, don't forget to update the cache with the command that I told. And thanks, and I hope to see you guys soon. This is my first video like this, so please bear with me, and I hope to make useful videos again. Thanks a lot.